A common grudge I get to read in the comment section from enthusiasts is on the quality of engine oil provided by the authorized service centers. In fact, most of the manufacturers provide substandard budget-centric engine oil to keep the authorized service stations happy with low inventory cost and fat margin, while the customer is happy with low service cost as the engine oil takes up the majority of the general service cost. But for someone who is looking for a better performing synthetic engine oil is bounded by the fear of warranty. But over the past few years, things are slowly changing. TVS and Honda have already got their synthetic engine oils. Even Yamaha has got their racing engine oil in the synthetic category. A few Bajaj and KTM service have got Motul as an option for those who are looking for better performance. Hero was the only one missing this game, and finally they are out with their Xotic Plus 100% synthetic engine oil. I am using this engine oil in my RTR 200 for the past 2 months or so, and I have made some really interesting observations with this engine oil. I usually don't mention prices in my videos, but the Xotic Plus is currently priced at 1100 rupees, which is significantly higher than what TVS and Honda ask for this synthetic engine oil. But the good thing is it comes in a 1.2 liter pack size just like the TVS True 4 synthetic, which should ease the headache for motorcycle owners with 1.2 liter sump requirement. The Xotic Plus is specially formulated for Hero Moto Corp, where it is manufactured by IOCL, where Indian oil is already coming with the experience of servo, and I must say that this time they have really done a good job with the Xotic Plus, as it has got Group 4 and Group 5 base oils in the form of PAO and ester. My experience with the Xotic Plus on the RTR 200 has been really good. To begin with, the cold starts are really easy with this engine oil. In fact, in my case, it is better than the Honda throttle. The engine response is satisfactory with this engine oil inside the city, even in stop and go traffic. My only expectations were better gear shift experience inside the city, where I was frequently shifting gears. Somehow I feel that Germans have cracked this really well with their premium engine oils, where I experienced some really good gear shifts with Liqui-Moly and Adinol engine oils. Don't get me wrong, as you will notice day and night difference with the Hero Xotic Plus if you are switching from a mineral based engine oil. While I was purchasing this from Hero Service, I met an Xpulse owner who was really happy with this oil's performance. All thanks to the superior polyalpha olefin and ester that makes the highway ride a joy with this engine oil. I absolutely enjoyed pushing the RTR with the Xotic Plus, where it performed effortlessly, and same was the performance on the hills. After all sorts of riding, I managed a fuel efficiency of 34 km per liter, which is decent for a 200cc machine. I did not find any mention of API standard on the pack, just JSO MA2. Also, Hero has smartly designed the seal and cap to avoid imitation and reuse. All of this looks and feels good, but I just hope authorized dealers keep this in stock and it does not become a secret or hidden product. Overall, I am happy to see manufacturers providing synthetic engine oil as an option, as this is a step in the right direction where you consider quality over price and pay attention to what your customer demands. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.